So just this week I replaced my SW Motech pegs with Pivotpegz. So I'm back up to a standard height. I adjusted the gear lever to suit, and then I had a lot of trouble shifting gears. I actually got stuck in neutral. I couldn't get to second. I had to use my heel. But what I worked out, because it's up so high, the angle of the lever, you have to push it up and backwards to change gears. So what I decided to try to fix the problem is I adjusted the lever back down, and then I made this little extension piece for the toe piece of my lever. Yeah, and it's improved shifting a hell of a lot. It's so much easier. It's better than it's ever been. So at the moment it's just a single piece with one bolt, so there's a good chance it'll move with me constantly pushing it up and down. So I'm going to make another bracket that I can actually pin to it. I'll put a second bolt in it and hold it in place. So if you need any more information, please let me know in the comments, or if you find this useful, please let me know. And thanks a lot for watching.